anteperipheral and peripheral. And this part are connected by bus. And in this part, we will discuss more details. We will concentrate or focus on the CPU inside the microcontroller. For example, in our course, the microcontroller is STM32F103, and the CPU inside this microcontroller is ARM Cortex-M3. So the program we have written by assembly language will run on this CPU, ARM Cortex-M3. And we will discuss the composition of CPU, or what's inside the CPU. And the CPU is always composed of ALU register and control unit. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. So ALU is responsible for computing. And from this sentence, we will know the function of ALU. ALU performs computing tasks, manipulates the data, performs numerical and logical computation. So, in assembly instruction, there are many numerical and logical computation. For example, add, sum. So, use this instruction, the ALU can perform addition and division or subtraction. So ALU is a very important part inside the CPU, and ALU is responsible for computing. And the computing inside the CPU, embedded CPU, can be divided into two parts.